Before this video start, I would like to introduce my daily motion to you guys. Please visit it to watch my videos or behind the scenes, so enjoy. Hey guys, what is up? It is your boy Kovalef here. My microphone is not working, and that is why I am using this robotic voice again. But I will get a better microphone soon and start streaming in my gaming channel. But recently I have made my own browser. It is called Notchmods browser. It is a decent browser and it still have a lot to improve on, but overall it is good. It will be released sooner at November 18th, 2018 or November 24th, 2018. The features of the browser include clock, notes, and you can remove and add tabs, which should be standard for a browser. Today's videos is going to be short because it is just an announcement from what I am been working on. And before you all go, Gary will be released at the day after my browser as an alpha. The beta will be much better and Gary will have a neural network in it and he will have a better vocabulary than the alpha stage. To download it, go to itch.io. So hope you have enjoyed. Please subscribe, like, share and bye.